Hey, it's the conversion group, and we're doing our iteration planning meeting for the last iteration of fiscal year Q4 24, rolling into 25. So it's January 29th into February 11th, 2024. And with that, I'll pass it over to Nathan. What are we up to?
Thanks, Lauren. So I'm going to start off with getting the GitLab Duo translations over into Contentful. And then I'm going to look into workflows in Contentful. We started this, I think, a month or two ago, but to actually dig in and now we have better understanding of Contentful and see how we could use them. I also have some homepage Contentful improvements and the board of directors and eGroup Contentful improvements. These are just small changes to kind of optimize the templates. Another one is it's like a spike issue to research how to have a one-to-one environment with production. So whether it's been staging or review apps, so we'll figure that out. And then there's just one to crop some leadership images with Contentful. And then the last one is just to do internal handbook documentation for executive blog posts. That's it for me. I'm going to hand it off to John.
Thank you. For this iteration, I'm going to finally finish Gartner Magic Quadrant migration. This has been rolled over to this iteration due to some other priorities. I have been unblocked on the landing page beta program and join the beta program. So I will continue with that and give a template to the team. And also I'm going to improve events and free trial contentful components to improve some undefined validation or maybe move them to drag and drop features and things like that. And that will be it for my iteration. Next one is Margaret.
So for this iteration, I'm gonna be working on GitLab Duo pricing updates. I'm also gonna continue working on our look for issues. I think I finally made a breakthrough, so I'm excited about that. And I'm just gonna continue working on the press page and just updating the feed to use Contentful. That fell over from the last iteration because I changed priorities again. And I think that's it for my iteration. I might be able to pick up more issues as we go, but that's it for now. I'm gonna pass it over to Tina.
Thanks. So my top priority for this iteration is Duo Pro changes. I'm covering for Trevor since he's off snowboarding. So I'll be keeping a close eye on that. Also, we want to update the pricing page. So we have a couple issues to do content audit on the pricing page, FAQ links and add-on information. We're a little bit blocked by having somebody from product marketing review that. So we're going to try to wrap this up this iteration since it's very important. And also, I'm going to start some work for next quarter. So I'm going to be working on something we're calling self-identification flows right now. So this work comes directly from our Moments That Matter research and our customer journey mapping work. The idea is we want to make it easier for self-serve customers to access information that drives purchasing decisions directly on our website. And basically what that means is we're going to experiment with self-identification flows that let customers choose from segment-based parameters, for example, role and pain point, and that will give us insight into their needs, what stage they are in their buying journey. For example, a dropdown that says I'm a developer and I want to increase developer productivity. That gives us a little bit of information, and then we compare those insights with 6sense data like industry and company size, and from there we can deliver tailored content specific to their needs. So the goal is to increase conversion by reducing information gathering efforts, and at the same time we can build like a data set of information and see where people are going, and then we can kind of iterate on that experience as we learn more from their selections and the kind of data that we're building. So yeah, that's it for my iteration. Looking at my boards really quickly, I didn't miss any